Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be brief as possible, but it is my pleasant task to thank all of you for being with us this afternoon. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for having responded to our invitation and sharing this great moment of the 25th anniversary of Priyadarshini Academy. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Vilasrao Ji Deshmukh, deserves all the showering of praises and thanks from us because he has been, as Nani Krimpani said, standing behind us like a rock for so many years. Thank you, sir, and we look forward to that momentous day when that promise does get fulfilled. Thank you, sir, for renewing that promise. Our thanks are due to Mr. Praful Patel as well. He's our most dynamic and constructive minister in Delhi. We have some representations there, and the way he has opened up the skies, I'm sure we can start looking beyond just our shores, beyond our skies, I suppose. Thank you, Mr. Praful Patel, for being with us. Friends, Dr. Michael Noble needs a special applause because he's gracing this function. Thank you, sir, for making all... Thank you, sir, for specially flying down all the way and, as you promised, later sharing with us the entire concept and the management of the Nobel Peace Awards. I must confess that you are the role model for our chairman, Mr. Nani Krimpani. He always inspires and, pushes us to strive and get better standards, and the target that he has is the Nobel Peace Awards. But I am sure slowly we'll work towards that, and thank you for your presence today. Mr. Jayant Rao Patil, our Honorable Finance Minister, has always been very supportive, and we look forward to your support uninterruptedly, just the way you have held the position of the Finance Minister of Maharashtra uninterruptedly for over 9 years, and I'm sure for many, many more years, we look to your support. Dr. Mashikal has done an excellent job along with his team in scrutinizing and finalizing these awardees, these 9 excellent awardees. So thank you, sir. I know you and your team have shown that time, given that time and commitment in doing this job in spite of your busy schedules. Thank you very much. Our thanks are also due to the distinguished guests here on the dais, starting with our Sheriff of Mumbai, Dr. Mrs. Indu Shahani, Mr. Suresh Prabhu, Mr. Milind Devra, friend Anand Mahendra, Joseph Masse, and Nana, but not Nana, the young Nana uncle. Incidentally, he doesn't mind being called an uncle by men, but if Priti or somebody were to call him uncle, I think it's a little objectionable to him. But that young Nana. Sir, your presence here today has added glitter to this function, and your kind words will really inspire us to do much better in time to come. Our thanks are due to all the sponsors here, without whose support such a function could not have been held. Nani Krimpani, our chairman, has already mentioned a few names, but some like Hiranandani, Ms. K. Raheja, Roshan Publicity, AOL Global, K. Raheja, Air India, and particularly the Corporate Affairs Director, Mr. Jitendra Bhargava, all of them have really supported us time and again. Our thanks are also kind, like most of the advertising companies, like Bright Advertising, Alak Advertising, Lakshya Media, Cinemax, INX News, In and Out Publicity, who have carried the message of this function and the activities of the chamber to various corners of the city and the country. The management of Trident, as Nani Krimpani says, have always been very cooperative. Usually when you have a galaxy of gathering like this, there is a chaos, and they and the other residents of the hotel have to put up with. But they are very cooperative. I must thank Mr. Keshwani and his team here. The press and the electronic media, without whose support and contribution, we could not have achieved the recognition that we have had, not just locally but internationally. So a great thank you to you. And next time I promise you that the stage will be set up in a manner that you will have your entire stage for yourself and uninterrupted from the audience, not the other way around. I must mention a few names who have burnt a lot of midnight oil in making this function a great success. To top them all is the excellent team of Priyadarshini Academy, led by Mr. Vishwanathan, Mr. Gopal Krishnan, Mr. Mahesh Thakkar, and Sara. This entire event is an in-house event, designed, conceived, and executed. And this team, their team, has really put it up together. I think they need to be cheered up. Thank you, guys. The students of HR College, the principals listening, I suppose. The students of HR College, I mean, for those who are our awardees, you have had those escorts. I do hope, and they've been doing an excellent service as management students. I do hope they are making your stay a little more comfortable. And if there are any complaints, I would like to know them about them a little later. But a great thank you. Boys and girls, you are doing a great job. I cannot forget the support that we have been having from MCX. Mr. Jignesh, I would have liked him to be here today, but that man has really been inspiring us, not only in just functioning and supporting, but he is one role model again as to how one can really in a short time progress further, the way he has expanded his exchange from one step to another. So I would like to thank you, Mr. Base, and also convey that to Jignesh. Sarita Sethi and Vinod Advani, I think they have done an excellent job. They have been comparing this event for years. I mean, Vinod joined us this year, but they've done it so meticulously, so fine. I would request Mrs. Geeta Rupani to offer a bouquet to Mrs. Sarita Sethi and Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani to Mr. Vinod Advani. I think they have done a great job as compared of this thing. A big thank you to all of you here in the audience who sat through this over almost about 2 hours of the function.